Hey there, my name is Jordan, and I don't work for Zoe, but I am a user that loves building on top of it, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about skills. So most people, you know, they use AI like a search engine. They ask it a question, they expect an answer, and that's about it. And for most people that I talk to, the gap between that and, well, AI does half my day's work for me, it feels huge. But really, the gap is knowing where to start and what's possible. And well, where you start with that is skills. So, skills are pre built capabilities you install in literally seconds. So, it's as simple as clicking install from this skills hub here, which Zoe has built in. Other people like me have already figured out the hard part for giving Zoe a lot of really cool capabilities, how to connect to different APIs, how to, finagle the technical backend wizardry to make sure that all you have to do is one click button. All you have to do is browse the library, click install, and in a couple messages, you can be running. So it's like an app store, but for AI capabilities. It gives your Zoe new options, new things to do, and new functionality that previously, it couldn't do. So here's the thing. I'm not an engineer. I work in startups and I work in growth. And, so I am somewhat technical. But even for people that are non technical, that don't understand code, Zoe makes this so easy. And a few of the skills that I built for myself actually are now live in the Skill Hub. So the great part about skills is that other people can share them and you can reuse them at any time. So for example, I created a humanizer skill, which detects and fixes AI writing patterns. It's really helpful when I'm using it for work. I created a market research skill, which connects to free government APIs and allows you to pull in things like employment data and industry statistics. I also created things like a morning briefing and a midday check-in that gives Zoe, almost OpenClaw-esque functionality where it can actually start up at a time and come back. And these skills actually leverage some of the other functionalities of Zoe, like scheduled tasks and rules. So skills can really build on whatever you want to do. And when it comes down to what a skill is, skills are nothing more than a markdown file with instructions. And then they can also include scripts. So this is super helpful for when you want Zoe to not only be able to, run a prompt in a very precise way every single time, but when you also want to give it additional functionality, additional capabilities, it can now connect to APIs, it can now do specific actions scripted. And so this is the real democratic nature of this system, is that as we all build and as we all make Zoe better for our personal use, we can share that, and then that becomes even better for the entire community. So if you've been wondering how to use your Zoe beyond just, kind of chatting, or if you've been wondering, hey, why is this so powerful? Well, skills are your entry point. So come in here, check out what exists, install what, feels helpful, and then simply ask Zoe to help you set it up. It's that simple. Check out the link, see what's possible, and hope to see you in the Zoe Discord and on the Zoe subreddit.